Are you ready for your solution? It is here, it is happening. Power is of old, the divine power of God. This is the power to raise the dead, heal the sick, set free the prisoners. The President of the Prophetic Parliament of the Republic of South Africa, Bishop Dudu J. Comfort, is inviting you to visit us at the famous Cathedral Church, Arena of Miracles. We welcome visitors from across the globe to fellowship with us and witness first-hand miracles that Jesus is alive. If you would like to visit the famous Cathedral Church, Arena of Miracles, please call us on one of these lines. The numbers are +27 076 576 4915, +27 078 907 6042.
Greetings in the wonderful name of our Lord and our personal Savior. This is your brother, and this is the prophet of God, Bishop DJ Comfort. My family, I have good news for you. I want you to come and connect with me. I have a special message, instruction that I've been given by the Lord. Many of you have been sending me email, contacting my office, and asking, when will Bishop be able to minister impartation and special grace? Well, that date has come. Friday the 4th, Saturday the 5th, and Sunday the 6th of May is that special day. I want you to make your way. You're in Zambia, Zimbabwe, Lesotho, Botswana. You're in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, Gauteng, wherever you can hear my voice, wherever you're connected from. I want you to make your way to come and be my international visitor. That's where I'm going to minister strong impartation for miracles, healing, deliverance, breakthrough, and prophecy. I'm going to open you in the spirit, and I'm going to allow you to begin to flow in this thing. Listen, you need to come and join me. So this is all you have to do. My phone numbers are on the TV. My email is on the TV. You contact my office, and you register to come for the international visitors with Prophet DJ Comfort. Please, family, make sure you speak to my office. Don't speak to anybody impersonating himself as my office. Talk to my office through the numbers that are on your screen and register and come and be my guest. Remember, the date is 4, 5, and 6 May. You join me for a strong impartation. Are you a bishop? Are you an apostle, prophet, evangelist, pastor, the leader of your ministry? Is your church stuck and you feel things are not moving and you really feel in your belly that you need to be open? You need to grow. You need things to start happening. You need to move in might, power, and dominion. Well, I'm inviting you to come and connect with grace. And I'm telling you, your life will never be the same. So I'm looking forward to welcome you this weekend, 4, 5, and 6 May 2018. My name is Prophet DJ Comfort. I love you. And I'm looking forward to welcome you into the prophetic parliament, where I will impart you and you will walk in this grace. I love you and God bless you. Ziba.
Are you ready for your solution? It is here and it is happening. The power is of old, the divine power of God. You can call us every Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Our physical address is 351 Corner Beitegand and W.F. Nkomo Street, Pretoria West, Republic of South Africa. If God be for us, who can be against us? Ziba.